Looking for a refreshing hit across the USA and Europe? Fresh strawberries. Orange juice. A dash of lemon. Ice cubes. Try this viral strawberry citrus pouring the juice into a glass with mint garnish. Feel the incredible freshness of a tropical detox. This green detox juice is a global favorite, loved everywhere from LA to Berlin. It's packed with pineapple, spinach, green apple, and a splash of lime. Your perfect immune-boosting cleanse, ready in just 15 seconds.
This is why you need this juice after dinner. It's tasty, light, and can help your tummy. Mix pineapple, mint, and lemon for a fresh juice that helps digestion. Sip, relax, and feel lighter tonight. Feel better? Hit subscribe for more night tips.
Hey everyone, beat the summer heat with this amazing watermelon mint cooler. It's a favorite everywhere. Seriously easy. Just blend fresh watermelon chunks, a few mint leaves, and a splash of lime juice. It's so refreshing, hydrating, and packed with flavor. Perfect post-workout or anytime. Follow for more quick, viral recipes.
After a hot day. Seriously, this will change your summer forever. Just blend juicy watermelon, fresh mint, and a splash of lime. Pour over ice, sip, and feel the instant chill. Follow for more easy juice recipes. Try this fresh fix next time you're dragging. Just blend fresh apple, a knob of ginger, and a squeeze of lemon. Sip the wake-up juice and feel your energy soar. Want more energy hacks? Subscribe now.
Need a cold refresh? Watch this. Drop some ice, squeeze fresh lemon, add mint, and pour sparkling water. Want more? Hit subscribe. Thirsty for more? Subscribe. Chill in 15 seconds. Beat the heat fast. Quick lemon mint cooler recipe. Hash shorts, hash summer drinks, hash lemonade summer drinks. Lemon mint cooler, lemonade recipe, easy recipe, quick drink, refreshing drink, healthy drinks. YouTube shorts, no alcohol, mocktail hash, summer refresh, hash 15-second recipes, hash drink talk, hash easy mocktail, hash lemon love. Afternoon slump, drink this fast fix, instant coffee, ice, milk stir, and sip. Want more? Join me, hit subscribe. Catchy title 15-sec iced coffee kick. Short description, need energy? My 15-sec iced coffee fix is here. Super fast, super easy. 10 relevant tags: iced coffee, quick coffee, coffee recipe, energy boost, 15-second fix, caffeine kick, easy coffee, instant coffee, afternoon slump, coffee lover. 5 best hashtags: hash 15-sec coffee kick, hash iced coffee hack, hash quick energy, hash coffee fix, hash easy recipes.
Feeling groggy? Try this fix. Make mornings easy with coffee and honey. Instant energy in seconds. Join me. Subscribe for daily morning boosts. Feeling groggy? Try this fix. Make mornings easy with coffee and honey. Instant energy in seconds. Join me. Subscribe for daily morning boosts. Feeling groggy? Try this fix. Make mornings easy with coffee and honey. Instant energy in seconds. Join me. Need a quick reset? Here's your 15-sec detox fix. Squeeze lemon, add water, and mint. Refresh instantly. Want more? Subscribe for daily detox ideas. Need a quick reset? Here's your 15-sec detox fix. Squeeze lemon, add water, and mint. Refresh instantly. Want more? Subscribe for daily detox ideas. Need a quick reset? Here's your 15-sec detox fix. Squeeze lemon, add water.